Hi there, students. The siren song, or the siren's song. We also say the siren's call. Okay, this is a noun. It talks about something that's really appealing. It's really enticing. It's really tempting, but it's probably very dangerous, and maybe it's misleading as well. So in third world countries, many people hear the siren song of the cities. They have the idea that the streets are paved with gold. Yeah, so the siren song, something that attracts you. It's appealing to you, but it's actually dangerous, and maybe it's not as real as it appears. So something seductive, something appealing and enticing, but it may be dangerous, it may be disastrous. Yeah, so gambling has a lot of risks associated with it, but many people hear the siren song of winning huge amounts of money. Yeah. He became a very famous pop star overnight, and then was lured by the siren song of drugs, alcohol, and promiscuity. Okay, so the siren song, this is a strong, powerful force that attracts you. It's not always bad, yeah? So, I don't know, he was bored and didn't know what to do. And then he heard the siren song of my videos. Okay, so a powerful force that attracts you to something. I think during COVID lockdown, many people were attracted by the siren call of living in the countryside. Okay, so something that attracts you, very strongly, but very often it's something that's not good for you. Yeah. Once again he heard the siren call of his old lover. Yeah, so and then he rang her up and went to meet her, so he went back to her. Okay, so the siren call, the siren song, something alluring that's also potentially harmful or dangerous. Yeah, so I guess mountaineers hear the siren song of climbing Everest. Yeah, so let's see, what about the origin? Well, this comes from Greek mythology, from the sirens. These were dangerous creatures that lured sailors onto the rocks by beautiful singing and beautiful music. So that the sailors had to go towards them. They were like an irresistible force, an irresistible attraction. Yeah, and then the sailors ended up shipwrecked. I think legend has it that they could even charm the winds. Okay, and these were the sirens. Okay, so that's the origin. It's the siren song. The song of the sirens attracts the sailors. The siren song of something attracts you. Okay, as to formality, that's an interesting one. I think I'm going to give this one a 5 in formality. I know it's an idiom, but I think you could use it just about anywhere. So the siren song, the siren call, something that's calling you towards it, something that it sounds absolutely fantastic, and you just can't tear yourself away from it. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. The siren song or siren call.